guys, it's me again, Fabi. So, mag-unbox tayo yung in-order ko sa Shopee. So, the Fair God Barbie yung store niya. So, legit to guys. Don't worry. So, I bought this mga 1,000 I guess. Kasi 99 something like that. So, for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya gamitin. Paano ko ilagay yung minoxidil 20% hair grower. So, maganda din siya para sa mga walang buhok. I mean, yung forehead, yung mga walang medyo buhok yung forehead. Basta ganon. Basta maganda siya gamitin guys. Kasi, yung mga transistors ko, ito talaga yung ginagamit nila since before. Basta makikita mo talaga yung effect niya since maganda siya tignan, nakakatao. Charot. Basta maganda siya. So, let's see kung ano yung effect after a month. So, basta makikita daw yung effect after 1 week, something like that. Alright? So, by the way, moving forward, hindi ko pala na-post. Sorry guys, hindi ko pala na-post yung na-repair kong dress since nag-change ako ng outfit. Kasi dapat pala naka-black. Alright, so ilalagay ko din pala yung link ng store. So, this is not a sponsor. Alright? Thank you for watching.